Posted in front of the tribe.
What's up everybody, and welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to transform this oversized t-shirt that I got from the men's section in extra large into a two-piece set. The essentials you're going to need is some old biker shorts, a crop top, and a t-shirt. And you're also going to need a measurement, a scissor, and some pins. And it's optional if you want to have a pen or not. First off, you want to lay your crop top on the t-shirt, and then take your biker shorts and also lay that on the t-shirt. I'm cutting around my shorts and I'm leaving 1 centimeter in seam allowance. I'm taking that piece that I cut out and I'm cutting the exact same piece again. And you want to do the exact same thing with the crop top, cut all the way around. You want to go ahead and pin the short side of the shorts and also the long side. And these are the parts that you're going to sew with a zigzag stitch. And I'm doing a zigzag stitch on this whole video because this is a stretch material. When you have a stretch material, you always want to go with a zigzag stitch. Take one of the pieces and fold it to the right side, then take that leg and put it into the other leg, so you just have one big piece, if that makes sense. You want to go ahead and just pin that whole side. I need a waistband on these shorts, so I'm measuring my entire waist all the way around. And you want to just make sure that you have a little bit of space so the waistband won't be too tight. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the waistband to the shorts. So to do that, you need to flip the shorts to the right side and then take the waistband and just put it right next to the shorts and pin it all the way around. Also remember to leave an opening so you can attach the elastic band. Take a safety pin and attach it to the elastic band. Where you left the opening on your shorts, you want to put that elastic band into the opening and just go all the way around. Once you're done with that, sew some stitches over the elastic bands. So onto the top, take the right sides facing each other, and you want to go ahead and pin the sides of the top. To make a nice lining on the top, you want to fold it a little bit, and I didn't do it on the whole top because I think it's a lot easier to do it directly on the machine without pinning. But it's optional, you can pin it all the way around or do it directly on the machine. This is the way it's going to look, so you just get a nice lining all over the top. And now we're done. I hope you really like this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!